Hey everybody, it's Matt Bergman, and I want to share with you a cool feature from Mote. Now, if you're not familiar with Mote, it is a game changer in educational technology. It allows you to leave voice comments and voice messages, not only on docs and slides, but it's expanding to Gmail and other tools as well. I want to share with you a relatively new tool that many people don't realize exists with Mote, and it's called Sticky Motes. So how does it work? Well, first of all, if you were working on something like a Jamboard and you wanted to give your students more instructions on how to do it, you could add a verbal message using Mote. All right, so you would first want to make sure that you install the Chrome extension. Okay, so you want to do that, and you as the teacher need to have the Chrome extension. Now, students or anybody participating in this, they don't need the Chrome extension. You just need it for recording purposes. So once that's installed and you log in with your Google account, now what you can do is you can record a voice Mote. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, so with this breakout room activity, you're going to determine how to judge whether or not information from the internet is credible. And did Abraham Lincoln actually write this quote? Explain why or why not. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go right down here where it says My Activity and Engagement. Now notice these are my recent Motes, but when I go to My Activity Engagement, it's going to open up a new tab. And now I'm going to have all of my recordings that I've worked with. Now this is kind of cool. You can actually put this on Google Classroom if you wanted by sharing it directly to Google Classroom. So you can click on this and then choose the class that you would like to go through and use, and then just choose whatever type of action or assignment that you would like to have students participate in. For this one, I'm just going to create an assignment, and you'll notice that this is my Jamboard activity. And then I can put my instructions right here if I wanted. But notice it actually puts the Mote down here at the bottom, and I can go ahead and assign. Now, here's the cool thing about sticky Motes. Okay, you can use this tool with Jamboard, and you could use this tool with using YouTube videos. So right now, those are the two things that you may want to concentrate on doing to give virtual instruction. So I'm going to go right here to the Classworks tab. And you'll notice that I have the Jamboard activity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. When my students click on this link, so I'm going to view the assignment as a student, okay? When they click on this link, watch what happens, okay? It brings them to the actual Jamboard with a twist. It has this Mote. Now students can move this around and they can go ahead and press play. Breakout room activity. So this is awesome because students can actually go through here. They can get rid of it, and now they can participate in this activity. Now, the other thing is if they want to listen to it again, they simply click right here, and it'll come back up again. Amazing for accessibility, right? So let's show you how it might work from a YouTube standpoint. So if I go to YouTube, okay, and I'm just going to go over to my YouTube channel right here for Learn, Lead, Grow. And when I go into my channel, I'm going to go right in here for creating a quiz in Google Forms. Now, what you're going to see here is you're going to see that I can create, once again, a sticky Mote by going to the instructions. All right, so I'm going to go right up here. I'm going to go ahead and record. All right, you're going to check out this video and look for elements that you could apply in your class. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. Now, you don't just have to go to Google Classroom for this stuff either, right? So this is great, this button. However, if you don't have Google Classroom and you just want to share the link instead, you can do this by viewing the landing page. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to view the landing page. Okay, I'm going to pause this. And now I can listen to that Mote, right? So how could I share this with students if I have maybe a link on a hyperdoc, maybe I have something else? Well, here's how that would work is I could actually go, once again, view landing page, and I could just copy this link Okay, that's one way. And I'll just paste it to show you. Actually, what I'm going to want to do is I'm actually going to want to go here for my recent Motes. And if I click on this link right here, or in this icon, now what I can do, I can see that original one. There you go. So that'll originally put it in there. So that's one thing that you'll want to do with the YouTube videos, or if you're sharing this as a link, just make sure that you go to Mote and make sure that you go to your recent Motes right here, which you can see, and just copy it. And that will bring you right there. So really cool feature, Sticky Motes. It's continuing to evolve, but hopefully that is helpful to you.